Every time you're crying. Why are you crying now? Why are you overthinking? What happened? Do you have to overthink every time you're using your own thinking to make yourself sad? It's not good. Just try and go and do something that is fun. Even if it's play game. Play game. If it's to play snooker, go and play snooker. If it's play COD. Stop crying. Every time your eye is now big. I've cried out the whole tears. Every time you cry asleep. Guy, you're not tired of crying. Nobody's there to tell you sorry. That's the worst thing.
Ouch!
So you're just making yourself stronger because if you cry, nobody tell you sorry. You come back again, you cry. Very soon you stop crying. Some of us can't even cry again. We have reached our limit of crying.
Oh my God!
I know you're seeing this video, so stop crying, yeah? Yeah.